What's good, YouTube? I'm back. It's your boy Trip. I'm going to show you this quick tutorial I did all by myself. All the edits done by me, the videos done by me, everything. It's a real Trippy Productions. We're about to go in. So what we're doing right now is we combing his hair before we cut it, because we want to make sure it's laying down the right way and the right pattern. And now we're cutting him with that 1.5 with the grain. Next, we're gonna bald them out. You can use any trimmer you like. Give them that bald line right up in the temple area. Next, we're gonna grab our blending clipper. We're gonna start open, then we're gonna start blending with it closed. So we're gonna work from closed to open. Same thing in the back. Same step. This is a new product I got coming out. The product line is going to be called Juice, and this is a defining foam. It's going to be the first product I'm going to drop, hopefully by the end of this year, so stay tuned. And what it's doing right now is laying down his wave. I'm going to throw a do-rag on there, put a little blow dryer on top, and it's going to have his wave slick, laid down to his scalp. Let's see. Right here, I'm hitting him with a magic pencil. His beard don't really grow in all the way up there. He has a real straight haired beard, so I like to draw his line on first. Now before we apply the color to his beard, I like to make sure I have him nice and sharp. I actually didn't get that footage in here where I'm applying the color, so next video I'll make sure I have everything recorded. Like I said, this is my first time. I just wanted to get something out there, show you guys I was serious. Liquid razor. This is a must. If you want a crispy lineup, make sure you go get you some liquid razor ASAP. Now every trimmer that I own is sharpened by Barber Supply 562. Make sure you follow his Instagram. Make sure you go hit up my boy Abel. Tell him Trip sent you and he'll take care of your clippers. They ain't gonna hit like this if you don't go to Abel. Best razor out, Irving razor. Make sure you go grab that. I used multiple razors over the years. Once I touched this one, I never went back. This is crazy. Watching myself on video, not myself, but watching me cut, I see so many flaws that I can't wait to make the next video. It's going to be that much better. Even in this video, I see I could have tapered behind the guy's ear a little bit more. Hey, but we did it. So if you guys want to see more, make sure you smash that subscribe button, like, comment, and give me a follow on Instagram.
Perfect.
The Real Trippy.